Today we're going through our last box of boxes for now. So this is the last box of boxes of Christmas light boxes. I do have some others upstairs, but they're all kind of loose and hanging around. This one, not Christmas lights, but interesting. A set of Tesco garden lanterns, paper lanterns, $9.96. Okay, not $9.99. These are about 2001, 2002. They all work still. I've not had them out for a while, but a little bit of a faff to get them up and down, but they're nice lights. They just reminded me of the Chinese paper lanterns used to go on the trees years ago, but not, if you know what I mean. You can still buy sets of lights like this. But this is a really, really chunky box. Open this up. All complete with all the inlays. The adapter weighs an absolute ton. The lights are mint, low voltage. Still got the label. Still got a nice label on the plug. That's how little they've been used. These little standoffs go inside of the paper lanterns to make them retain their shapes. So they pop out like that. And these little feet stand on the inside, and on the top of that one stretches it out. We can always do them on a video on the My Old Lights channel. Need to film some more content for that. These, quite a newer set of lights, holly string lights. I thought they were going to be better than they were. I don't actually like these. I think the gaps are too far apart. Yeah, that's what they look like. And although they can be used outside, I've had the set outside for 2 years and they don't work anymore. They've completely gone. So I'm going to save them for indoor use, but the cable on them, the length of the cable is ridiculous. So they're your holly clusters. That's all you get. And there's the adapter inside, big massive adapter. I bought 3 sets of these to use outside. I used 2 sets outside, and they've not lasted. They don't like being wet, unfortunately, which is a bit of a shame. Some spare bulbs, berry lights, more of a opaque, like a pearlescent colour to them. So might sell those ones, I'm not sure yet. We've got a gold or yellow treetop star. It's just a star. It's Woolworths. Don't know where the lid is. Rated wattage 17 watt, and the bulbs are 16 volts because it's an odd set. It's a weird set of lights. I think I'd struggle to find bulbs for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A set of 15. Why they made a set of 15, I do not know. But there we are. There's the shades. We've got a fuse bulb. And they could have added another 5 lights in the centre there. Oh hey ho. There's that set. Goes in a circle as well. It's not a braided cable. No spare bulbs. But yeah, there's that one. A set of Noma winter crystals. I saw that set of lights the other day when I was organising, so we'll get them out and have a little look. They're clear crystal shades with foil backs, similar design to pom-pom lights, but with the tinsel, the foil flower style lights. Nice classy box. I think this is a 2000s set. It's got the newer logo on it. Made in China. I had no idea that Noma had a British base of operations. Don't think they've got one now though. Goes in a straight line. See, I like information like this. Goes in a straight line and includes 1.5 meters of lead, and then you get 4.4 meters of light. So you can measure your window or wherever you want to put them. This box needs to be flipped. Woolworths 20 Christmas tree lights. Snowball lights, push-in, 80 set, including new cord grip restraint requirements. Made in Taiwan. They've got the smooth bulb holders, so probably early 80s. Looks very similar design to the swan boxes we've had out recently. Right, we've got this blue star topper, Festive star. Obviously sold in multiple places. $15 bulbs each. Yeah, at least we know where Woolworths are getting them from. 16-volt bulbs. Again, you are going to struggle to find bulbs for this, I would say. Produced for Lidl. This is a really old set. I don't even think Lidl were actually in the UK when these were made, but who knows? Look inside the lights. Comes from a plug. No spare bulbs. Some instructions on the bottom. Ah, there's a spare bulb there, just hiding out. I don't know if this has had much use. Well, yeah, you're not gonna get spare bulbs for that too easily. Premier Poinsettia lights. Fosse Park Garden Centre, or Fosse, take your pick. Comes with a plug. This is I'd say this is a 2000 set, early 2000s. Unusual to see set to 20, they usually came in set to 40 for Premier, that I've seen. Don't have an inlay card, and these ones are based on the tulip bulb design. The flowers are coming off, so they need some work. They need some elastic bands or something to hold them in place. So they're the tulip style Poinsettia lights, whereas a lot of the other ones that you get are based on pom-pom tinsel light shades. The last one out of this box has a set of lights in it. Woolworths Christmas lanterns. Glass baubles on that tray, including cord grip restraint device. Now Woolworths and Swan in this era, they were just sharing boxes. There was no difference. Oh, just missed that there. There's your price, $6.99, and that's perforated, so they could rip that off and charge you $7.99 if they wanted to. Oh, what's going on here? Why have I got two weird boxes? I've got a Woolworths box here, a Winfield box here. Oh. That's weird. No idea why that's there, unless that was the actual base. $5.99 for the Winfield design. Right. Don't know what's going on with this one, but flip it over. Still in its little inlay card to hold the bulbs in place. Mostly. Push in. That fuse bulb's been replaced. Interesting that they've all got white bulb holders. Huh. This looks like it's got all new bulbs in it from another set of lights. Yeah, all the bulbs have been replaced on this set, but because I think they came with, pretty sure they came with clear bulbs. But there's a set of Swan, Winfield, Woolworth lantern lights, aka reused moulds from Pifco Carnival lanterns. Except on the Pifco Carnival lanterns, this part was also translucent, and the colours were slightly nicer. These are more of a pastel colour. But there you go, there's the last box out the box of boxes of lights and light boxes. Catch you on the next one.